Gout, also known as the podagra, is a painful form of arthritis where severe pain develops in the joints. This medical condition is usually characterized by recurrent attacks that are caused by uric acid in a person's blood. When uric acid in our body builds up, it can form crystals and later on can cause arthritis or even gout. Here are 4 effective ways to get rid of gout. 1. Lose weight. Obesity and overweight can result in gout. Start eating healthy food and avoid food having high cholesterol level that later on can cause a high level of uric acid. Make a habit to exercise daily, such as jogging, swimming, or even just a walk can help you lose weight. 2. Drink enough water to hydrate. Drinking a lot of water helps our body to reduce the formation of crystals. Keep yourself hydrated all the time to avoid or lessen the risk of gout attacks. After eating or exercising, it is also advisable to drink a lot of water to hydrate our bodies and keep our cells function better. 3. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Almost all alcoholic drinks contain very high levels of purines, which could be an indirect cause of gout. To have an idea, purines are natural substance found in food that can lead to a high level of uric acid in your body. It is best to avoid alcoholic drinks, especially the beer, or if you cannot, you can occasionally drink. Just remember to drink moderately. 4. Reduce purine intake. Apart from the above-mentioned points, purines are usually found in red meats, livers, heart, kidney, crabs, fish, anchovies, and more. You can eat them, but don't overeat too much. Do you know any other tip that would help others get rid of gout? Share in the comments below.